Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the second grade computational fluency screener? The second grade computational fluency screener is a diagnostic assessment that is tied to the previous grade level's prerequisite text for computation. Since this assessment is given to every second grade math student at the beginning of the school year, it tests first grade computation skills students entering grade 2 should have mastered. This paper and pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at once. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the computational fluency screener. If an individual student takes much longer than other students, then that rate of speed is worth noting, but don't cut a student off if they are productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. The second grade computational fluency screener is 25 questions long and consists entirely of free response items. The one-page assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print and copy for your class. This paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at one time. If a student needs more room to write than is provided, it is acceptable for scratch paper to be utilized. A key that denotes the first grade math TEKS to which each question aligns is provided on the Math Personalized Learning site. Note that the key is color-coded to indicate the number of correct digits each item contains. More on grading computational fluency assessments will be provided in a later video.